Woo! Oh, this is so terrifying. Oh my god. Look at them. Oh, they look so good. There's four of them, and they look like Watanabes. If you guys are JDM fans, you know what Watanabes are. Oh god, that sound is it's very unsettling. Perfect. Now you can cut. More so it cuts through. It literally took me 2 days, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I've done. So you guys can see all the tapey goodness, taped the door jamb because I want to spray the door jambs too. I taped pretty much everything, took out the rear bumpers, all the front headlight stuff things. It actually looks kind of cool without the headlights. What it looks like right now. Oh my, the transformation is insane. Let me go out of the sun, actually, it's too bright. But the transformation has been insane. Oh my gosh, we've done so much work to this car. I just want to show you guys just around it. So as you guys can see, I have done the paint job. It actually doesn't look that bad. From like 5/10 feet away, it doesn't look bad. But when you come close, you'll see there's imperfections here and there. But yeah, I love this color. I think it just brings out the color in the car's eyes, if the car even has eyes. But oh my gosh, it looks so good compared to what it looked like before. It just looks amazing. I haven't done that, and I'm probably not gonna do it for a while.
Oh, I love this car. I need you guys to see the interior is not perfect. I put new seats in, no, not new seats, seat covers, because that was the cheapest option. Front and rear. Starts up and runs, no issues. Again, it's rear wheel drive, 5-speed manual. And yeah, it definitely, like I told you guys, and you can see there's no more smoke coming out from the rear. Because again, they had to rebuild the carburetor. Because the first time they rebuilt it, oh crap, the seat cover came off. The first time they rebuilt it, it had issues. And then they had to pretty much go back, take it again, yeah, and rebuild it. But yeah, now it's perfect. It drives so well, so good.